Hi, coordinate geometry, class 10th, exercise 7.1. The fifth problem will be doing it later. You must do yourself after looking at the sixth problem. Okay, so sixth problem, name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reason for your answers. Three sub questions are there. Okay, what do you mean by quadrilateral? First thing is, what do you mean by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is nothing but a shape with having four sides. Having four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It's a quadrilateral. So in the sense quadrilateral, there are many quadrilaterals, but to you the only three types of usually the three types of quadrilateral will come out. That is, one is square, rhombus, and the rectangle. Here the four vertices are given. By using these four vertices, we must find out whether it's a square, whether it's a rhombus, whether it's a rectangle. We just cannot find out only the sides. For example, if it's a A, B, C, D, AB, the length we must find. The length, that is nothing but the distance we must find. By looking at the distance, we can conclude whether it's a square or I mean there is a quadrilateral, but we cannot conclude by looking at the sides. AB, BC, distance we have to find out AB, BC, and the CD and the DA, because the four, even suppose if the four sides comes equal, it may be a square or rhombus. So there are two cases. Because in a rhombus also all sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So we must find the diagonals of that particular shape using the distance formula. So what is the diagonal? DB. The one diagonal is DB and one more diagonal is AC. Suppose DB and AC comes equal, it is a square. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal, of course, right? But diagonals are not equal. Suppose the diagonal, you will find out A, B, C, D. AC and BD comes different values, then it is a rhombus. Rectangle, as you know, the opposite sides are equal each other, right? And the diagonals equal here. Only three cases usually comes out, but be better knowing all the characteristics of the quadrilaterals. Okay, all the quadrilaterals. So name the type of quadrilateral formed. First of all, I'll mark it as a B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. If you want, you can make a shape at the right side. A, B, C, D. We are not going to find only the sides but also the diagonals length. Okay. First, A and B. You know the distance formula. AB. Finding out the distance of AB. Right, I'll directly formulas you'll be knowing. I'll directly substitute the values and find out x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is the distance formula I'm using. Now I'm finding out AB, x1 y1 x2 y2. I'll be not marking. So 1 plus 1, that is 2 square, 0 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, 0 plus 2 is 2 square. So 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 4 plus 4 is root 8 units. Now let us go for the BC. Okay, now this is x1 y1 and this x2 y2, right? Minus 1, that is the minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 0, that is 2 square. Further, 2 square is minus 2 square is a plus 4 and 2 square is a plus 4. Further it will become root 8. Now let us come for the CD. Minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square is a minus 2 whole square. Further it will become root 8. Now DA, distance we are finding out DA. So DA, x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 plus 3, that is plus 2 whole square, minus 2 minus 0, that is minus 2 whole square. Further it's a root 8. Root 8 units, root 8 units, root 8 units. All the sides are equal. There is a case that it may be a rhombus, so, or maybe a square. So we have to find out the diagonals also. This can further we can simplify. If you need, root 8 is equal to, I can write it as a 4 into 2 is a root of 4 is 2 remaining is a 2 root 2. Everything will become 2 root 2 units. Okay, if you need, you can do. Now I'll be finding out the diagonal AC. AC x1 y1, C x2 y2, A and C. These are the diagonals A, C. Now minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. 2 plus 2, that is 4 square, is 16, that is nothing but 4. 2 plus 2, yes, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 square is 4 units. Now BD we are going to find out. Minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4 whole square, and 0 minus 0 square, that is 0 only. So 4 square is 16, that is 4 units. Since the final statement we should, all the sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal, the given shape is a square. Okay, you have to do the rest two problems, and we have the fifth problem also. You have to do it. Okay, now let us come for the seventh question. What does the question is? Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Okay, what do you mean by this? So find a point on the x-axis. Let me draw a graph and explain you. Okay, what are the points? 2 comma minus 5, where does the comes? Approximately 2 comma minus 5, it will come here. 2 comma minus 5, in this fourth quadrant it will come. Okay, I'll be not marking here. One more point is minus 2 comma 9. Minus 2 is somewhere here, right? Minus 2 is somewhere here, and 9 plus 9, that is we can up to this. Okay, now what does it says? Find the point on the x-axis. On the x-axis, on this axis, this is the x-axis, we know this is the origin x-axis. There is some point, maybe this, maybe this point, maybe this, maybe this, maybe this, any, it could be any. There is some point, I don't know where it is exactly, which is equidistance from this and this. That is equidistance. Okay, this is the center. From here to here, some take it as some x units, and from here to here also x units. That is equidistant. Okay, so I'll mark it as a and one more is the p. Now the distance on, I mean something, some point in on the x-axis will consider as a p, and we'll consider as a x comma y. Now one more thing we have to watch and observe here, that the point is on x-axis. So x coordinate you will get a value, that is x only. But do you get a y coordinate? No, you will not get a y coordinate, because the point lies on the x-axis. It hasn't moved at all on the y. So p will come as a x comma 0. Will come as x comma 0. Hope you understood. So now PA is equal to PB. I must draw the straight line, sorry. So PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB. Whenever equidistance formula, I mean the problem comes, we must use this one. PA, we must write the distance, I mean formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here the square root and square root get cancelled, first step itself. Now P and A, P point we can consider as a x1 y1 and A point x2 y2. Okay. PA distance we are finding out, square root has been cancelled. X2 minus x1, that is minus 2 minus x, or x plus 2 whole square, and we have y2 minus 1, that is 0 minus 9 square. 0 minus 9 square. Okay, We need to find the x here, at which point on the x-axis it lies, right? Now p and the p is nothing but x comma 0. Further we have x plus 2 whole square, okay, and 0 minus, sorry, this is p and a. Okay, we have just confused here, but no problem. Pa minus 2 and comma 9, pb we must use now, 2 minus 5. So this is plus 2 means x minus 2 whole square, and 0 plus 5 whole square. Hope you understood. I have taken this as a and this as a b, not a big issue. Okay, pb is equal to pa, right? Anyway, now simplify this. It is according to the identity a plus b whole square. A plus, many of you write it as a x square plus 4. It is a big mistake you do here. X square plus 4 is, isn't it? A square plus b square plus 2ab actually is the formula. Okay, so x square, b square is nothing but 2 square 4 plus 2ab, that is 2 to the 4, 4x, 81, x minus 2, x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25. The x square and x square get cancelled directly. We can, however, we have to carry this side and this side. It's not a big issue. 4 and 4 get cancelled. You can cancel that also. It will make us easier. 4x minus 4x, it will become 8x. 81, 25 minus 81. 81 minus 25 is 11, minus 5 is 6, and 7 minus 2 is 5. 8x is equal to minus 56. See, x is equal to minus 56 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 7s are, that is minus 7. So we got the x value now. X value is nothing but, we have taken the coordinate as x comma 0. So what does it mean? Minus 7 comma 0. The point is nothing, it's not lies here, it doesn't lie here. It's okay, we just assumed it, we just imagined it may lie, but actually where does minus 7 comma 0? Somewhere here, the p point lies here. Okay, p point here lies here, which is equidistant from the point a and b. Thank you.